sports fans, and welcome to...
Coach Hop, good. How you feel, baby? What you feel like today?
Feeling real good.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Coach, you got anything to say before this big game, baby?
Game time.
Game time?
Look, we're gonna go
First time up, right?
Yes, sir.
2,
All right, man.
3,
I want to say good luck, man.
4,
We're gonna win it.
5.
You gonna win it?
Yes, sir.
There it is. I like the confidence. And they tell me you trying to go for number 6, huh?
That's upset.
Oh, hold on, wait. This the 6-1. It's gonna be 6.
What, you the Steelers of the Little League?
Shout out to the Cardinals, TNU.
Okay, in Ohio Premier 10U Division, we got the number 1 seed, the Cincinnati Cardinals, aka the Bird Gang, coached by Coach Twan, trying to etch their name in Little League history, going for 6 straight gold balls. And on the other side, we got Coach Hopgood and his underdog West Side Panthers. But you couldn't tell him that, cause they came in ready to shock the world. And it was a well-contested game throughout, with both defenses playing knuckle-up football. But the champs will manage to put a drive together in the second quarter. And that drive will feature the play of the game. And that catch will put them inside the team. And that face mask will put them right at the goal line. And the Cards will handle the rest from there. And those 7 points will be huge. Cause you don't win 5 championships without having a suffocating defense. And the Bird Gang will put theirs on full display. Westside will continue to try to attack through the air. But those Cardinals would always seem to be right there. Holding on to that 7-point lead going into half.
Okay, back to the action.
The Cincinnati Cardinals will come out of halftime trying to bully their way down the field. But the West Side Panthers would refuse to fold. It would be turnovers that would keep them off the scoreboard. But their no-quit attitude on defense will keep them in it. In the final minutes, the Panthers will get their passing game on track, bringing them up with the back in the flat, then countering that with the quick seam attack.
For the Panthers, 104 left in the game.
But all of that will come to an end.
And at the end of the game, the Cincinnati Cardinals 7, the West Side Panthers 0. We've been watching history. That's 6 straight for this Cardinals unit. That's 6 straight.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below for Channel Rock Ron. Help me out on my quest for 1,000 subs. Coming soon, the greatest Super Bowl ever. The Goon Squad versus Hilltop Hawks. What up, what up, what up? You know who it is. It's your man, Rock Ron. First, I want to thank y'all, man, for taking time out y'all schedule, man. Checking out Newiew 5, Bird Gang 6. I hope you enjoyed the show, man. But hey, before I go any further, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. And while you at it, hit the bell next to it. That way you be one of the first ones to catch these hot videos that drop once a week, man. And I'm doing more than just videos, man. I'm doing hot topics, sport topics, that is, you know what I'm saying? When you can write your comments down below, just like you can write your comments down below on this one. And real quick, before that Rock from Dustin drop, and you know when that drop, that's dropping non-stop, baby. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and the bell next to it, man. Holla back at you.
Non-stop.